Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matthew here at Barn Fresh Classics in Biddeford, Maine. You can check us out online at barnfreshclassics.com, see all the inventory we have to offer. You can also see a bunch more pictures of this 69 Dart GTS. You can also check us out on Facebook at Barn Fresh Classics LLC. Facebook is the best way to see an updated inventory, as we do list everything there first. When we buy something, put it on the trailer, we do take pictures, throw it up there first, and it's an easy way for people to get first dibs on cars, as our cars do sell in about 3 days. So today I have a beautiful 1969 Dodge Dart GTS. It is a real LS23P 340 GTS. This is not a tribute. It's also a factory 4-speed. It's got power brakes, power drums all the way around. It's got power steering. Paint and body on it's absolutely beautiful. No rust issues, no blisters, nothing like that. Just a real pretty example of a real GTS. They only made about 6,700 of them in '69, so it's a pretty rare bird. Again, it's a real Pico 340, not original motor, and it is a factory 4-speed of the 833. But a real pretty car, real pretty, real straight. All the chrome and the stainless is in really good shape. So the chrome bumper and stuff like that's in beautiful shape. The stainless grill, you know, it's got some chips here and there, you know, but it's in real good shape. Presentable anyway. But all the window trim and that type of stainless there is in excellent shape. All the glass in excellent shape. Windows go up and down very nicely. Gaps are real nice. Body is super straight. It's got nice paint. It's not a Bondo bucket by any means. All metal car. Vinyl top is real tight, real nice. Again, this is a real rust-free body. It came up from Florida. We do have a clean Florida title in hand. But a real beautiful car. The rear taillight bezels are brand new. Rear bumper's brand new. And then the deck lid paint, the trim here, you know, you can't get this repopped. You know, it's presentable. You know, it's not brand new or anything like that. Very presentable. But it's a real nice car. Interior is gorgeous. I mean, no problems there. No rips, no tears, no cracks. But a real straight, pretty car. Runs like a raped ape, I'll tell you that. I mean, it goes so nice. It's not a rattle box. Goes down the road, real smooth, real nice. Real nice car. I'm sure, as you guys know, 340 motors are my favorite motors, so I do enjoy driving this car around. A-body cars, some of my favorite cars. But real nice. Real nice. Again, underneath, rock solid, no patchwork or anything like that. So there's no hacky patch jobs. Real nice, real pretty color too. Now the crime here is it was originally a factory B5 blue car, you know, which we really love over here, but at some point the owner wanted to change the color. And they did it right. Everything's the same body color. Show the interior here. It's got an 8 3/4 rear end. Real nice in the interior. The door jambs are beautiful. Again, Florida car. Clean Florida title. Real nice in the interior. Obviously the seating is custom. You know, the previous owner had the red piping and then the 69 Dart GTS embroidered in there. You know, I actually like it. It grew on me. You know, I tend to really like all the stock stuff, but it actually grew on me. Nice little 4-speed there. Sorry the lighting's so messed up, but headlight is nice and tight. The only issue is on this headrest right here. There it goes right there. You got a little crack there, but other than that, no other rips or tears or anything like that. I got the keys here. I'll fire it up. Everything works. E-brake, wipers, speedo, gauges, all that stuff works. Even the brake light works. Got a big old tack. It's your water temp. You can see it's a cold start, you know. Nice oil pressure. It's got a great sound to it. Obviously a nice Mopar sound. Got the speakers back there, which, you know, if you want to take them out, you can take them out, or we can remove them for you. Real tight headliner. Real nice. Got a great sound to it. I mean, obviously the video's not going to do it justice, but it's got a great stance. Got some wide tires in the back. Real nice. Now, if you guys need any more information, you want some specific videos, some additional photos, give me a call, 207-400-5326. You know, we're here to help you make an informed purchase. So, if there's anything you want, like I said, specific video, specific pictures, anything like that, just feel free to give me a call. Wherever this video is accompanied, you'll be able to see some pictures of it up on the lift. So definitely check those out because it is rock solid, beautiful underneath. We'll also have pictures of the engine bay. The engine bay is super clean, very sanitary, real nice, painted, presentable. But just a really, really beautiful car, guys. It really, really is. Again, it's a real factory GTS car. Factory 4-speed. I'll have a picture of the fender tag and all that jazz for you guys. The vinyl top is in excellent shape. All the glass is nice. All the trim, all real nice. Just a real fun car to drive too. Everybody loves these A-bodies. Now we do have the hookup on shipping too. You guys need assistance with that, we can definitely help you out, get your quote, get the car right to your door. Very fair, very safe, very quick. Again, just give me a call. My name is Matthew, 207-400-5326. Answer any questions you may have. But just a real, real nice 344-speed car. It's got the Kreggers on it. Limited slip in the rear. Just real nice, real presentable. Something you can be proud definitely to drive and bring to a car show. You know these 8 bodies are hot right now, so they're tough to buy. They're tough to find in good shape. Again, any questions, concerns, want some video pictures, give me a call, 207-400-5326. My name is Matthew. Don't miss out on this one, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care.